Ah,
Okay, just a quick warning first. This is for informational and educational purposes only, and you are responsible for your own trading decisions. Um, all right, I think um let's just go over what we have right now, and then I will go over my trade from 5 a.m. Uh, so this one, the H4 on this doesn't look very nice. And neither do the H1s look very nice on this. All in all, looks like might collapse. Oh, I'll take trade in here. I'll just sell. Maybe put it up here. Otherwise, target should be this. Could be this. Could be this. This is, I think, the high of the first month. Okay. Is this pin bar, right? 30 doesn't look nice. Not for oh, um, five, right? We stopped. We stopped trading M5 for quite some time. Maybe a week, maybe 2, 3 weeks. I think I've stopped trading M5 mostly. I've been looking at H1. My entry has been from H1, and my stop loss has been H1 also. But okay. Let's see. This H4 um doesn't look nice either. Not for bull at least. Where are we? Something I was thinking that I should be doing. I think I noted down maybe. Another thing to point out is that even for continue, I must have. It is better for the. Oh, I have noticed that though. Hmm. I've been wanting to get up a bit early, and I think I don't know, just go over on that daily chart. Um, this is nice. Okay, this is very nice. It's taken out, this is Monday. It's taken out low of Friday and Thursday and closed in breakout. So, so, wouldn't, hmm, I wouldn't sell it, right? Although now I'm on M5. M5 is not good, not for me. Although this looks like a double top, right? And it's breaking out. So I think this maybe doesn't matter where it closes, but so this would be 9 to 10, right? And then and then 10 to 11 should, so this is the open. So 10 to 11 should be somewhere here. Better closer. Um, Can't even say this. Or we have a pin bar, and this could, if this could close where my stop loss is, that also works. Um, just this is not um just this H4 by itself is not my entry. Maybe this pin bar and then another pin bar. Maybe here. Don't really like it. I would be looking to buy this, right? But um this one I would be looking to buy it still. This is still a bullish. It's actually closed in breakout, right? It's made higher high, higher low, closed in breakout. I would still be looking to buy it. This is weird, and I think I need to go to bathroom also. H4, it's too big, right? I wouldn't know what to do with it. Um, Very similar. This one collapsed early in the morning. This one was nice. I think even this one. So that was 11. What is 11? Uh-huh. 11 is 4 to 5. Okay. Yeah, 4 to 5. That's fine. 4 to 5. Wouldn't expect this. But that's okay. So then from here, 20, mm, that's almost 40, 50. It's going up. This this is pretty good. Um, let's see, Euro USD. So it's closed in breakout. Still pretty bullish, right? Um, and then if I go back here, H4. So this one, right? Not bad. All by itself, not bad. jump to, this is 8 to 12, which is 1 to 5 a.m. So this is 11 to 12, right? Right. Mm. Can enter here, which is 5 a.m. This much drawdown. So stop loss would be here. A bit too much, but this is pretty nice rate, right? So 1 2 3 hours and we're done. This also not too bad. Yep, 11 to 12, 5 a.m. This small drawdown, 10, 15, 20 pips. Stop loss is here. Bit too much, but very similar to this. This is the one I took. Stop loss was a little bit tighter. I exited here somewhere. I think here. Was it here? Don't know. Maybe here. Doesn't matter. It's this one's pretty good. So I took in the morning, so I'm not trading right now. It's very similar. Very similar. Nasdaq. Okay. So this one is going down. Um. Hmm. To use bathroom. This one I thought. So I do have this small wick, and I've noticed that when there is a small wick, then it goes into the previous candle bit deeper than just this. So I think it might turn back. I don't know. I took this one, right? So H4. I hmm, I kept thinking that what's happening, and this had finished, and I was like, okay, what's happening? What do I do? Do I enter? I was in here, and then I looked at H1, and then I thought about this, that oh, it's closed in breakout above low of first day of the month, and maybe it's now pulling back and it might continue. And then first I was sell, then I jumped to M5, and I thought about buying here. I was still in this, wasn't thinking about doing anything in the challenge. Buy in here, then my take profit would have been there. And then I went back to H4, and then I was like, okay, then it occurred to me that this is a color change, and that's when I entered. I So it has closed right at the near bottom, and good thing, uh very little drawdown, seven pips, right? 77.7 pips. So I was hoping for a little drawdown, and these two were nice. So this one opened here to, I think, averaged in a little bit. Here, I think, put my stop loss here. So, and then this is 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and then, yep, 7 to 8 collapsed, and I just exited near its bottom here. I think I was okay. I was okay with that. Maybe could have held on to the low of yesterday. It's another 10 pips. Yep. Um, but okay. Mm, it's moving pretty nicely. So that's the one I took. Um, Back to this. Uh, and these two I'm very bullish, right? Uh, these two themselves are very bullish. Um, I have a strong wick here. Don't know if I wanna exit here. But I wouldn't do anything on M5. I think I would really like the H1 to close. Not bad. We'll see. Okay. I don't mind taking in here. Um, it's so that's the thing, right? I'm bullish, then every little green bar that's going to scared me out of the trade. E, it could very well be a counter day, right? But that's not used to having a not used to trading counter days, right? I'm always thinking in continuation, never in a counter day. Um, I think, hmm, yeah, counter day is challenging for me. This is continuation. See, even yesterday when I was trading here, I was still trying to sell it. 10 to 11. I think I was in here somewhere. No, in here somewhere. And this came back a little bit against me. Then I was out here somewhere. So yesterday this was not a very good trade. Why? Daily. So big blow off. Should be expecting um some consolidation, some bounce back, some pullback, right? And that's what Monday was. Very small day. Um, this could very well be considered as a inside day, right? Um, not let's not go for perfect. Think that's one of the things I've I've heard from Albrook's, but I need to get it synced in my heart. So this this I could call it an inside day. It's acted like inside day. See this one, nice spin bar, and now it's collapsing. Again, this one, let's see, wouldn't enter here, wouldn't enter here, wouldn't enter for this one. It's same thing. Um, uh, this also had the trade at 5 a.m. This one, nice spin bar. Mm, I think I think if this hadn't given such a big pin bar from the top and maybe closed here without the pin bar, maybe this could be a valid entry, but not with this big pin bar, right? Hmm. See, I thought about buying here, but now look. So I'm having hard time with M5, right? Why would I buy this? Stop. Breakout from the. So maybe this is not. really my entry bar, right? Is this my entry? No. I would have liked something to go through SMA 200 or this 20. So a bit far. Is this my entry? No. Is this my entry? No. Pin bar. Is this my entry? No. Is this my entry? So that's tricky, right? Um, let's say no, it's not my entry. I would have liked this to somehow engulf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's one of the requirements that Oliver's put in to try to go for one that's engulfed previous 5. So this, I guess, it's tempting. It's a tempting entry. It's gone through the SMA, but it's really not my entry. So, yeah, are these two combined? My entry? Maybe. Maybe. I can enter here. Sure. Doesn't matter. Put a stop loss here. This is really weird. Very big bar. Wouldn't know. Wouldn't really trade it. This is interesting. So this is pretty nice, right? This may be taken. Wouldn't mind taking this. So this is the 9 to 10, right? This would be clearing, engulfing bar. Wouldn't call it elephant, but clearing engulfing bar, right? So clearing, engulfing, color change at SMA 20. So, this one's not, this one's pretty good. I would take this, right? Why? Might even take it there in the demo. Let's see. I can find uh with the small size. I do need to go to bathroom. I think I'll go to bathroom and let's see what happens with this. This looks very interesting. So see this yep. This one's small and it still has some retracement. This one is a little bit bigger and it has more retracement. But also in here, very tricky. Thought about buying this, but looks very tricky. Now, if I hadn't taken the 5 a.m., then I think I might be forcing. But this one was not too bad. But where would my take profit be? Here. That pulled back quite deeply. It's breaking out now. This is 9:45. 9:50. Right, it's 10 minutes short of 10. So on M5 we have this, but H1. Why? This is 570. That's not middle. Middle is here somewhere. So even with the buy limit, I think I would miss this. This I thought was interesting, but maybe tricky. Keeps pulling back, keeps pulling back. This one too, 5 a.m. Pretty nice. This one. And this one maybe fits the trade requirement a little better in here. This H1 closing right through the SMA, taking out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Rather than, well, this one also took out, maybe can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Maybe all these. And it's closed through the SMA. So similar. So now I am in buy, closed in breakout, right? So no problem there. This one is tricky. So see, if I was buying at 10 a.m., then over here, oh wow. If I was buying the This one didn't close here, right? So this one is a bit different than some of the other counter examples I've looked at. I think it had wicked from here, then it was down here, then it's closed up here. 9. So if I go to that's so this one 9 5, that's 9 to 9 5, 5 to 10. So this one had wicked maybe previous at least 1 hour, I think. Then it went down, then it went back up, right? It started up, poked up high a little bit, then so this one's tricky. On M5, right? Very having hard time with the entry on M5. I think if I come back here, might help. So thinking about buying, right? But let's see. If I come here, right? Do I buy this? No, I don't. I never buy on counter, right? Okay. And do, do I buy this? Maybe, right? It hasn't closed, so how can I? That's number one. And when I start jumping into the lower time frame, so M5, right? So that's where the problem is coming from. Like any any green bar, I'm like, okay, that's my entry. But not really. Not really any green bar is my entry. See this? Lots of wicks. That's never my buy. I mean, even if it closes up here somewhere, the time cycle, right, is messed up. This is H1. Even if this H1 closes up here somewhere, it's still messed up. So the cycle of this candle is little bit messed up. क्या हो गया? See, this one is now tricky, right? If I had entered here, right, I mean, this much drawdown, my stop loss is here, and so entry on M5 is, although it's wicked, but then I would enter maybe here, right? Let's combine these two together. Wouldn't enter here, couldn't enter here. And if I combine these two, then maybe enter here. No, it's coming back down. I think it's just pulling back. Um, don't know. See, tricky. Might not, might not have a trade then, because this one, if I buy even here, right, that's the close off, I think. Let's, yeah, here. I buy here, stop loss is here, and buy. Hmm. So this is 950. 40. Oh, it's still only 10:25. Wow. Thought it was almost 11. So if I buy there and it doesn't want to continue, then so that's what I mean. The time cycle for this bar is not good. Hmm. Think I would be where? Oh yeah. But buying at exactly 10 at the that's up here. And I didn't do it yesterday because I was very up high. किसने छोड़ा इसको इधर? हम्म? मम्मा ने या आइलीन ने? इधर तो बाबा कर रहे थे। खराब हो जाएगा। सोने अभी तो आसमा अभी आप मुझे कैसे दे गई? अभी तो बाबा काम कर रहे सोने। मैंने जाना है थोड़ी देर में। पापा मैं फोन करूं अस्सलाम वालेकुम आप इसको मुझे देकर गई हैं आइलीन देकर गई है फिर है ये नीचे ये क्या बात हुई तो फिर आइलीन देकर गई है उसको समझाए ना वो इस तरह मुझे बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट करती है आइलीन आपने खुला छोड़ा और वॉल्यूम तो आप ये आपके पास तो नहीं आएगी अब मैंने वाकई नहीं की। अच्छा लेकिन वो जाएगी अब आपके पास इधर बैठो अब उसके साथ this not too bad but still I would really like the part close it's inside bar not bad 30. Yeah. Mm, mm, this week, then it's definitely gonna pull in. Maybe even here. Then if it wants to come back, then it might. But it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Although this is my this is my entry for the, you see, if I'm buying at very high. Right? Yep, right at the high. So that's that was my concern yesterday with this. When I wanted to buy, I was right at the high of the day. So same thing. I want to buy, but I'm right at the high of the day. That bothers me. One hour ago. Another excellent 3 session. Tuesday. Euro USD. Spot release Wednesday. 19 hours ago. Yep, that's it. That's it. I'll just wait until there is money lying on the corner and all I have to do is go over there and pick it up. I do nothing in the meantime. That's it. What is this? It's crazy. Day 2 range expansion. Thank you, Mr. Burke. What? 10:01, 10 a.m. What? What? How? Really? Euro USD? 10 a.m. It's 9 to 10. This. Really? What? I don't even know. Don't understand. All he's doing is breakout, breakout, and it's working, but I would have that's that's 10 a.m. I would have this much drawdown. Now I'm in profit. Back in drawdown. Back in profit. It's breaking out. This thing's tricky. Would I buy here? Here? This much drawdown. They're both going. This one bigger drawdown. This pulled back nicely. 15. Also, a little more mm, um, rectangular here rather than coming down here a little bit. So this one was a bit more, I think, bit more cleaner, bit more. Entry would be same, pulled back. Entered here, and if I entered here, each one stop loss is very wide. All right, it's breaking out. It is breaking out. Could I target 1 to 1? Maybe. Maybe. From here, 150. Right. Is it here? Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Let's see. I think here. Yep, here. If I put a line here, what is here? Is it here? So what would bother me is I'm buying at the high of the day. I would be more interested in this than those. What is this, 930? That's 930. If I go to M5, it's very choppy. but suppose not this one. And do I enter this one? No, I don't. Bit too early, too close to 9. Do I enter this one? This one. If I could enter this one, then it's good. Then from here, maybe here, 100 points. Add maybe 10, 20, 50 more. And it's down here. So this one should be about 200. Profit should be 200, right? How does it close? Still 20 minutes to close. Okay, I think that's it. I don't see anything on the I wouldn't sell this. Very choppy. Look at all this. If it wants to come back, it's not clean. I wouldn't sell it.